How to remember almost everything, the Japanese student way. What if I told you that remembering more doesn't require studying longer, but studying smarter? Japanese students are often praised for their discipline and memory. But here's the truth. It's not magic, and it's not genetics. It's method. And today I'm going to break down the core principles behind how they learn, so you can remember more, forget less, and stop wasting hours rereading things that never stick. Let's start with a hard reality. Your brain is not designed to remember information you don't use. So when most people study, what are they really doing? They reread, they highlight, they watch the same explanation again and again. It feels productive, but it's mostly passive, and passive learning creates weak memory traces. Japanese study culture attacks this problem head-on. Principle 1. Recall beats review. In Japan, students don't wait until exams to test themselves. They test constantly. Instead of asking, "Do I understand this?" they ask, "Can I recall this without looking?" This is called active recall, and it's uncomfortable by design. Struggling to remember feels like failure, but that struggle is exactly what forces the brain to strengthen memory. Every time you try to pull information out and fail a little, your brain rewires itself to do better next time. So if you want to remember more, stop rereading. Close the book. Ask yourself questions. Write answers from memory. If it feels hard, you're doing it right. Principle 2. Small daily repetition, not marathon sessions. Another myth, studying more hours equals better results. Japanese students rely heavily on one, spaced repetition. Short, frequent reviews spread over days and weeks. 10 minutes today, 5 minutes tomorrow, 2 minutes next week. Why? Because forgetting is not your enemy. It's the signal your brain uses to decide what matters. Every time you almost forget something and then review it, the memory becomes harder to erase. Cramming ignores this biology. Spacing works with it. If you only study when it's urgent, you're training your brain to forget. Principle 3. One thing, one session. Multitasking kills memory. Japanese students are trained early to focus on one objective at a time. Not, "I'll study math for an hour," but "I'll master these 5 problems." Clear target, short session, immediate feedback. Your brain remembers outcomes, not intentions. So vague study plans lead to vague memories. Principle 4. Teach to learn. One powerful habit in Japanese classrooms is explanation. Students are often asked to explain concepts to classmates, to teachers, or even to themselves out loud. If you can't explain something simply, you don't understand it deeply enough to remember it long term. Teaching exposes gaps instantly. No hiding, no illusion of competence, just truth. And truth is what builds solid memory. Now, let's be honest. None of this is revolutionary. The reason most people don't remember everything isn't lack of information. It's lack of execution. These methods work only if you use them. Not tomorrow, not next week. Today. Do this today. Right after this video ends, 1. Pick one thing you're trying to learn. 2. Close all notes. 3. Write down everything you remember from memory. 4. Check what you missed. 5. Schedule a 5-minute review tomorrow. That's it. No motivation speeches, no new tools, no excuses. Memory isn't built by consuming more content. It's built by engaging with what you already have. So take one step forward today, because the students who remember everything aren't smarter. They're just more deliberate.